I'm here to go over your grammar practice pages for the week. This week you will be looking at collective nouns, irregular plural nouns, and then some proofreading. On Monday you are assigned page 36. On Tuesday you are assigned pages 37 and 38. And on Wednesday you are assigned page 39. Please make sure that you are doing these practice pages and looking back at any comments that you're getting from teachers. It is important that you're going back to see those comments in case you made some mistakes so that you can look over your practice pages before you take the quiz on Thursday. Your first page is page 36. And on this page, you are looking at irregular plural nouns and collective nouns. The box at the top says that some nouns have special plural forms. That means that we don't add s or es to form the plural. The words men, women, and children are the irregular plural noun forms of man, woman, and child. So for those, we kind of change the spelling altogether. I don't say men's or women's or children's. I have to change it to those irregular plural forms. The word mice is the irregular plural noun form of the word mouse. So that word changes altogether. Finally, we have what we call collective nouns, and these are groups of people, places, or things. For example, class would be a collective noun because it's a group of students. School would be a collective noun for a group of fish. If you didn't know that, a group of fish is called a school. Another collective noun would be band because a band is a collection of people playing instruments. For part A on this page, you're going to complete each sentence with the correct plural form of the noun in parentheses. Number 1 says, the man who coaches the soccer teams talked to our class. We need to change man to the plural form, and the plural form of man is men. So I'm going to type men on the line. I would like to look at number 5 together as well. Number 5 says, I read about the blank of the presidents. When you have a noun that ends in an F or an FE, you change that F to a V to make this lives. You'll need to go back and do 2, 3, and 4 on your own. Part B says to read each sentence and underline the collective noun. Remember, collective noun is a collection or a group of people, places, or things. I already have the lines drawn for you down here in the corner. You'll just have to drag them. You might need to resize them a little to make sure that they're only underlining the collective noun. Number 6 says, there are 4 people in my family. So I have to think in that sentence, what is the collective noun? What word is a group of people, places, or things? The collective noun in this sentence is family. A family is a group of people. This line is too long, so once I get it under family, I'm going to use this blue circle to resize and make sure it's only underlining family. You will also need to complete 7 and 8. Page 36 is due on Monday. Your next 2 pages will be assigned and due on Tuesday. They are pages 37 and 38. On page 37, you're looking at more irregular plural nouns. The box at the top says a few plural nouns have the same singular and plural forms. The box gives you a list of these. So, for example, the singular of sheep is sheep, and the plural of sheep is sheep. The same is true for deer, scissors, fish, moose, and salmon. Some plural nouns change the spelling of the words, but they don't add S or ES. Some examples of that is tooth changes to teeth, and goose changes to geese. You need to use this box at the top to help you on the bottom. Part A says to decide if the underlined noun is singular or plural, and you're going to write the answer on the line. I am fine if you want to put an S for singular or a P for plural. Number 1 says, we saw 5 deer behind our house. Because deer could be singular or deer can be plural, I need to decide which one is being used in this sentence. You have to use context clues in the sentences with these irregular nouns to figure that out. So because I see the word 5, I know that deer in this sentence is plural. So I'm going to put a P on the line. You will need to finish up part A. Part B says to write yes. Yes if the plural form of the underlined noun is correct, and write no if it is not. Let's take a look at 2 together. Number 5 says, I saw some shark teeth at the Science Museum. Teeth is the plural form of tooth, and I see it says some teeth. So that is the correct form. I'm going to type yes on the line. Look at number 6. Put on some socks if your foots are cold. Foots is not the proper plural form of foot. It should have been changed to feet. So for number 6, I'm going to put no on the line. You will also need to finish up part B for 7 and 8 on your own. Remember, you have a second page today or on Tuesday. This one says spelling plural nouns. A few plural nouns change spellings but do not add S or ES. A few plural nouns are spelled exactly the same as the singular form, and you can use a dictionary to check the spelling of a plural noun by looking up the singular form. You can also do a quick Google search if you need. The directions on this page say to rewrite the sentences. Change the underlined word to the plural noun. Number 1 says the child swam in the pool. I need to change child to plural, and the plural form of child is children. That box on the previous page will really help you on this page as well. So I'm simply retyping with the plural form of the underlined word. These 2 pages are assigned to you on Tuesday and due Tuesday. Your last page that it is assigned to you is page 39. That will pop up on Wednesday and also be due on Wednesday. This is a proofreading page. So you're going to take a look at all of the directions and rules from the previous pages. And this page says to proofread the sentences for incorrect plural nouns. Circle each incorrect plural noun and write its correct form on the line. I already have the circles drawn for you. You just need to click and drag them over to the mistake. Number 1 says, I think astronauts have exciting lives. I remember that when I have a word that ends in an F or FE, I need to change that to a V. So lives is incorrect. I'm going to circle it. Can even resize the circle so it's just covering lives. and I'm going to spell lives correctly on the line. You will need to finish this page with the same directions for 2 through 10. This again is assigned to you and due on Wednesday. On Thursday, you will have your grammar quiz. Remember to always look back and check for comments from the teachers so you can understand any mistakes that you made. Have a great day, third grade, and we will see each other soon. Bye.